So my name is Neenu, and then I'm currently working as an admission counselor, and I'm taking care of the admission parts. So the applicant, those who submit the application, and in the end of the enrollment process, I'll be taking care of it. Tice University. So this batch, I mean the 2025-26 academic year, we started online degree. So, and we have 30,000 plus of offline students available for different programs. And then our vision and mission, everything is, it's basically like excellence and service. As of now, for online degree, definitely we have completely using Merito for the admission process, and for the payment gateway Colexo, we are in touch with Colexo. Yeah, that's, and then we have our own ERP available. It was really hard for the counselors also to get in touch with all the leads coming to the dashboard. But now with AI call, it's pretty simple and easy. And yeah, we are getting good number of callback requests also. And then because of this AI voice call implemented, our work is a little more easier. We are doing different kind of promotions and marketing, and we are getting more number of leads. I think in our dashboard we have 23 plus leads, but most of them will be junk leads. But after the Mio AI implementations, the thing is, Mio itself can filter, or the automation is also done, so they can call and filter out which is junk, which leads is potential lead. So that's a good benefit, and it's a very relaxation for our team also after the automation is done. So that's a good thing. Just an example, if we have shooted 1,000 or 100 plus Mio AI call, in that maybe like 100 like 85 or 100 plus callback requests will be coming. We are now, our team is mostly able to now focus more on the callback requested leads. Also, yeah, after the automation is done, it's automatically the lead stage is changing. So whoever is very potential based on the qualification and based on the quality score, the lead stage is changing to hot. So the team can mostly focus on the hot candidate than spending or wasting time on calling the junk files. I have gone through few transcripts and the audio recording as well. In the beginning, the students thinks that it's not an AI, it's completely a human based. So the student was talking, they think that they are talking to a human counselor, but definitely by the end it really understandable, it's an AI. But that's pretty okay, but that's a good job from the team as well, the way they build that AI agent in such a way. Comparing with the before implementing AI, it's a little more easier or a little more faster than before. We are able to respond back to the student soon. Yeah. And also, like today, if somebody registered, we'll be mostly shooting calls, whoever registering today, yesterday. So we are not lagging in any way. That's after the AI implementation, it is one of the good thing. We are able to respond back very faster than before. Yeah, the team was also very helpful. Even if I was having any confusion in few parts, but they were able to help me throughout the journey, and it was very easy, the onboarding part. Yeah. So for online degree, definitely Mio AI have a good part, because as I said before, before we were wasting too much time on calling the junk files, and we were losing some potential candidates. Meanwhile, few of them were taking admission on some other university because of the delayed response. But now it is better. Yeah, and we have trained the AI also. It's very friendly, the tone. So that's pretty good. Yeah. Our work just got easier with Mio AI. That's the one thing which I can tell. Yeah, that's the biggest good part also, because that's the only one thing that I can summarize. No, but looking forward you to build one more AI for the interview process also. If you are building that part also, we'll be allowed to experience or explore that part as well.